let's deal with the second question, which is in this case the fourth question. We've been told to actually factorize 7x squared minus 7. So for us to factorize this, what you need to do is that you need to find the common denominator. You need to find the factor of these numbers. So which number can go into this part and this part? And in this case, you can see that definitely it's 7 itself. So we're going to factor out 7, and then 7 into 7x squared, we are remaining with what? X squared. Minus 7 into 7, we are remaining with what? With 1. Hope you are following. So that when we multiply 7 times 7 times x squared, it is going to give us back our 7x squared. 7 times negative 1, we are going to have negative what? Negative 7. As simple as that. Hope you are following. So now that we have done this, the next step now, this is written in index form. So what we need to do, you need also to write this in index form, but without changing this same number. We all know that 1 to n power raised to n power, it's what? It's 1. So since we are having this x which is raised to the power 2, even this one is going to be raised to the power to the power 2. There are some circumstances whereby you have been given here we have got 4. So always they are going to give you a number which you are going to raise to the power 2, since this one is also raised to the power 2. Hope you have seen that. So if it means you are just having 1, like in our case, it is you to think that I'm going to raise it to the power 2, since even this one is raised to the power 2, and this is not going to change anything, because 1 times 1 to the power 2 is 1 times 1. Remember what I've just taught you. 1 times 1, the answer is what? The answer is 1. So this has not changed anything. So now that you have done this, what you need to do is that you just now to use the concept of difference of two squares. So here we are having two x's. So we are going just to remain with one x minus, even here we are having two ones. So we are just going to remain with 1. Then we open the second bracket. The other x, because here we are having 2 x's. Now here we've just written 1. So the other one we're going to write it here. Okay. So this is the x. And then the other one, you're going to write it here. So now notice that here I've written a positive sign, whereas here I've written a negative sign. So what you need to know, or what you need to understand, is that whenever you're writing, you're actually using a concept of two squares, you need to write different signs. Why? If let's say, for example, I actually put here a negative sign, then it means to go back to this expression, it is going to be impossible. Going back to this expression, if let's assume I've put here a negative sign, is going to be impossible. Why is it that it is going to be impossible? So let's multiply, let's prove. X times x, the answer is what? X squared. Quite all right. We've actually brought back our x squared. What about negative times negative? Negative times negative, the answer is what? The answer is positive. Meanwhile, here we are having a negative sign. Have you seen? So because of that, we always write a positive here, so that when you say negative times positive, it is going to give us a negative sign, and 1 times 1, it is 1 squared. Hope you have seen. So this is all about this question. So our final solution is 7x minus 1 x plus what? Plus 1. So here we can see now, or we can say now, that we've factorized completely. So this is how to go about this question. These are simple questions which you need to understand. Hope you have gotten something. If you want to actually reach out to me, text me on WhatsApp 0976 97 58 98. I'm going to actually add you to my WhatsApp group, and also I'm going to provide you with some materials with important tips and with important information which you need to have at an affordable price. So make sure you do that. Make sure you actually inbox me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put a like and a comment if you find this video to be very helpful. Share also to your friends so that they can also be benefiting from this channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.